Hey everyone, we're back. Welcome. J-ho! Good morning. Good to see you. How's it going? Well, we're back. We are back. So, what is happening? All-time highs on ES and NQ as well. But everybody's waiting for the CPI news, I guess. I never left, it seems. Oh yeah, hey Gabor. Spy Girl, good to see you again. Oracle, howdy. Good to see everyone. Well, let's get this party started, shall we? Alright. How's everybody doing? Gonna be the dump of the century? I think so as well. This is my second coffee. Gabor is asking. My second coffee in this beautiful mug, which is filled with stars. My second coffee today. CPI. Yeah, so Yoshef is asking, it goes straight one way. I mean, is this the news that goes straight one way? Not really. I mean, when was the last CPI? Let's check it out. Last CPI. When was the last one? Which day was it? Core CPI, the last one. Oh, I thought there's a date here. May, April. There's no exact date. Anyway, let's check out last month. Apply. When was CPI? Oh, there you go. So it was on the 15th of May. All right, let's check out the 15th of May. 15th of May. Let's check out that CPI. We have to go back quite a lot. There you go. So CPI, this should be it. Oh yeah, this is it. So this is the 15-minute chart on the CPI news from last month. Went up straight 150 points. And after that, until the end of the session, something, it wasn't that much. It was like 200 points overall. You know, but definitely interesting. So, yeah, we also have FOMC. Oh, that's gonna rock the market real hard. That is going to rock the market. So get ready for the FOMC. That's gonna be the real deal. Yeah, so this kind of movement should be enough. Yeah, that will be the big mover, FOMC. I expect like a 20-30 point scalp in either way. So whatever the news is at CPI right now, I'm expecting like about a 20-30 points wick to the opposite side after the big move here. So that's why it's a little bit difficult to place orders if anybody wants to YOLO the news. I don't think I'm gonna. I might go with the FOMC minutes, but I mean not the minutes, but the press conference. So I might go with that. Oh, by the way, let me update the Apex banner up there because we don't have 90% anymore. We have 50% now. So we only have 50% from Apex. 90% is over officially. Can I pull this down? Yeah. All right. All right. Let's see what's going on. CPI moves too fast to gamble on. Yeah, it does. It does. It definitely So nothing to do until news, that's for sure. We're just gonna wait, pretend nothing happened. No hate, but nobody is gonna do their 50% sale. Yeah, of course, I know. I mean, 50% off is not the best deal for Apex, that's for sure, but I can't put out 90% if it's not true. I mean, I left it on for the London session, but MyFundedFutures is the best. I agree. I was able to log into my Rhythmic. I'm still logged into Rhythmic, so my Apex accounts are fine. I just placed a trade on one of the evaluation accounts before the stream, so I could log in, but I don't want to log out because somebody wrote on Discord that he logged out and he couldn't log in back to the Rhythmic, so I don't want to log out and test it. But I'm logged in currently and it's connected. Blue Sky is the best, hands down. All right, well, I don't disagree with you, Gabor. Blue Sky is definitely attracting traders with no rules. So Blue Sky having no rules, nothing. So that's it. If you guys want a promo for that, we have it in the link down there in the description as well. All right. What else? 20 ticks. Mine keeps changing different price action each time I log in and log out. It could be some kind of latency issue. Not sure, but it could be. Could be some latency issue. But anyway, guys, this here was a great opportunity in the London session to go short. I don't really take partials, but in this one I did, and that was a good trade for one. Until they go on, they're better stay with the big firms. Yeah, go with the big ones. Go with the big ones if you can. Go with the big firms. Apex is pretty much big, but anyway. Bottom. All right, sideways action, that's what's gonna happen until the big news, and I guess we just have to wait for a market open as well. So on the upside we have nothing. The only thing we have is the whole number of 300, nothing extra. Also ES is at all-time high, right? So we're making history, people. We're making history. We are making history. I only made a pathetic 86 bucks this morning. 86 bucks is, I accept it anytime. I mean, for a trading day on any funded account, 86 bucks is a good one. It's a good result, so let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading the news. I haven't decided yet. If I want to trade the news. Do I want to sacrifice an account? You know, maybe. How am I doing? I have 1, 2. I can actually do that. I have BULENOX account as well. I don't know. Should I risk it for the biscuit? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm saving the bullets for FOMC. I'm used to making more than this. I know. I did 1300 on both. Oh, okay. I know you can. Anyway. Guys, from tomorrow, or I don't know, I have to go to the gym or go doing cardio because I am so fat. I gained so much weight. I can't do the diet. I mean, I eat bread. I mean, not white bread, but I'm hungry all the time. I'm eating and I'm sitting here a lot, and I don't do that much workout as I should. I must do some cardio. I'm gaining so much weight recently, like impossible. Cardio doesn't do shit. Oh, I do, Spigel. I do. Trust me. You don't see me from the neck below. Do keto diet. Weight exercise. Guys, do me some favor and give me some advice, because I have no idea what to do. The ones I know here in person say that everything begins in the kitchen, so I guess I have to change everything I eat. But I gained, like, I don't know, quite a few kilograms in the past few weeks, months. I'm super overweight, so I have to do something about this. This is getting serious. I'm gonna go to to one of my friend's daughter's high school. What prom? No, that's not prom. How do they say it in English? You know, when someone goes away from high school. Anyway, so I'm invited to go there, and I wanted to try on my super fancy jeans and stuff like that, and you know, it's not coming on. It's not coming on. Not even my shirts. Terrible. Anyway, not cardio. Ask any doctor. All right. Try with intermittent fasting. It works. Okay. Do you want to see me at age 59? I imagine. You sent me. I'm just checking something. All right. Not taking anything. If you do a keto diet, you are going to be hungry as hell for about 3 days. Okay, thank you. That's good to know. Only B12. All right. Get up. Yeah, by the way, I was thinking maybe to change my desk here to a standing desk. A friend of mine who used to stream told me that it changed a lot on his weight, so I should be using a standing desk, because I would be standing for hours then. That would be helping to lose some weight. Yeah, change your diet to no exercise. Okay. So there you go. No carbs, just eat protein. Take magnesium too. Okay, so magnesium, no carbs, go with protein. Okay, 3-day feast. Okay, 3-day. Okay, somebody else told me that. One of my friends to start with that too. All right. This is the 5-minute chart. You can see it right there in the down right corner. 5-minute. If I change the time frame, it should be updating. You see, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. Mark Cato is here. We will give you the perfect advice. Okay. Try to walk 30 minutes before the stream. Oh, thank you. Actually, I might have to. I might gonna do all because this is catastrophic. I looked myself in the mirror. I was standing on. I mean, I was. This is very bad. My clothes are not fitting. So, guys, keep reminding me if I did my daily cardio or run or did I eat healthy. No, I will try my best. I have to. How many times do I eat? I eat a little bit in the morning. I eat modestly in the lunchtime. And the problem is I eat the most at the evening. I eat a big dinner. Anyway. So, news is coming out soon. So my dinner is quite big. Let's change this to a 1-minute chart. So this is from Quant Hour. So we will see what's happening as the candles are printing here. 30 seconds, everybody. Drop the bread, European. Oh, I love bread. I do love it. Oh, let me see. Sent me a picture. Oh, on Twitter, right? And I'm gonna check it out after the news. Let's check the news. I'm gonna check it out after. I want to see how the candles are blowing up. I have no positions. I'm flat. I'm absolutely flat. So 3, 2, 1. Ooh, what the hell? We just went up to the 400s, guys. 20K is coming. Oh my god, look at this. 500, I'm gonna mark it up. 500 is very close. Okay. I guess this would have been a nice trade, right? I think Rhythmic servers are just freezing right now. Oof, what a move. So it moved like almost 200 points in 2 seconds. Anybody YOLO'd it? To the downside it went as well. Wow. This is interesting. Interesting move. Going for the 500, I think. 50 points away. Wow. Do we have a gap somewhere? The 15-minute has a gap. Let me reload it. Reload history. All right. Yeah, it has a gap. We could be going back to 300. No wicks down. That's good. Would that be nice to... Well, yeah, this would have been a good opportunity to YOLO, even if you fail one account. But the other one... So one side was pretty strong. Not really wicked into the other one. So even if with like 3 or 4 minis at maximum, you could have been a winner. So... And it could not, it would not have been taking you out. But 480 in 1 second. That's the way to go. Congratulations. Excuse me. I have something on my throat. Oh yeah, look at this. what is happening here? This was like... Anyway, I haven't checked the numbers yet. So CPI, not as expected. So that is good news, right? Changing the price. So it's getting a little bit cheaper, which is good, right? People loving that. If stuff is gonna get cheaper. That is good for the stocks as well, because more spending. Something like that, correct me. I might be wrong here. What a tornado. Yeah. I know, I have to play this once more. This is what happened before CPI. Yeah. I mean, in this case for the shorts. All right. But since we're going to meet with Jerome Powell today, you have to check this too.
Good afternoon.
That is what's gonna happen tonight, guys. Just saying. Be prepared. This is what's gonna happen.
Good afternoon.
All right. Don't say I didn't tell you. Yeah, I think we have the 500 still in play. For example, like here. Oh. We have the 500 level up there. But who knows? Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Guys, this is like, we're so high. Unbelievable. Profit taking, yeah, will drop a bit. You know, if we're looking at this as possible profit taking, I would say we can drop down to 63. Most likely. Yo, let me check the Twitter you sent me. Let me check it. Or X, as they say it. X. I always say Twitter. That's the way to go, dude. That's the way to go. Like, in your age, you look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. That's the way. That's the way to go. Igen, ez egy sima lett volna. Itt belépsz, nem is kellett volna sok kontrakt. Boom, kész. Good day, tripping and trading. Good to see you again. How's it going? Not taking anything, 59 and only weight. So, but you must be eating healthy, I guess. No cardio ever. But you're definitely eating healthy. So no junk food, I guess. No bread, no sugar. You must be doing that, right? So no sugar, no junk food, no bread, no carbs. I'm guessing because, you know, guys, Gabor looks like someone from an action movie, actually. All that. Okay, so that's the key. They always keep telling me that. My friend too. I have a friend who works in a gym. And he works in a gym since many years ago. And he always tells me that I can do whatever. I can lift all the weights. I can run like a marathon every day. Everything starts in the kitchen. So that's what he said to me. Everything starts in the kitchen. If I don't do it right in the kitchen, then, you know, I can do whatever I want in the gym. It's not going to turn out good. I'm fed up with it's frozen again. Is it with Apex 20 ticks? At this moment I'm a little bit scared to take a trade on even a test trade on my Apex account, because you know it could be a ghost trade or something. I don't know. The other day when the rhythmic issue came up, I wanted to test a limit order. It did not place the limit order, but after like 5 minutes my limit order was placed and it got triggered. It got me to a drawdown. So it took a rhythmic 5 minutes to receive my order from Quant Tower. It placed my limit order then. So I'm not placing it. I eat junk every day. Love pizza. Oh, szalonna kenyérkifli. All that. Ezt mind megeszed, és mégis így nézel neked. Komolyan mondom. Genetika, öregem. Genetika. Gratulálok. He has good genetics. Good DNA. Jó genetika. Igen. Exactly. You're gonna live for 100 years, man. Minimum. That's the minimum. Arnold is megmondta? Mármint a jó genetika, az is kell? Erre gondolsz? So Arnold said it as well. Good genetics or... Alright. I want to live for 100 years, and after 100 years I'm going to they're gonna do these surgeries when they put your head into a new body, and after that I'm gonna sweep up, I'm gonna vacuum out my mind, and I'm gonna put it into a computer or a robot or an android or whatever, and that's how I'm gonna live forever. That's my plan for the future, if anybody's interested. That's what I want to do. So I want to live forever. So I know Freddie Mercury and everything, but I want to live forever. If Freddie Mercury would ask me, I say me. I want to live forever. Anyway. Oh, guys. What a session here. Let's check out the 15-minute. There should be some gaps here. Yeah, look at that. So look at the 15-minute mini. So not the micro, the mini. We have a gap starts at 297 down to 279. That's easy to remember. But on the micro, it's not there. So 297 is a gap. We could be going back to rebalance that gap after the news. Don't forget it. Maybe it's gonna go all the way here, like until the FOMC press conference, but the press conference can get us all down there. He said it. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for my genetics. You can only overcome genetics with drugs and enhance it too. You don't even take aspirin. Awesome, man. Fed rate, yeah, Fed rate too, Jacqueline. Yeah. I am no medicine guy unless it wants to kill me. Yeah. I think I'll stay out throughout today. Yeah, maybe that's the smart decision. Even then, I think market open gonna dump. Yeah, I'm expecting a dump, especially because that gap, and we have these, you know, market open. We have Powell, so no, I didn't YOLO. I did not YOLO. All right. Let's see. I went long 3 seconds after news. I got 55 points. I have to be quick. Oh yeah. Rhythmic not connecting. What sort of computer system? I have an old computer. My computer is very old. I built it in 2018 for gaming. So my computer is like 6 years old now. And it cost me a lot of money back then. I bought a 1080 GPU, which I changed to 2070 Ti. My CPU is an old one. It's an 8700 Intel i7 generation. So I have 32 gigabytes RAM and an SSD as hard drive. But you know, my computer is old. My motherboard is old, so I'm not into computers that much. But it's an old computer. I mean, I do have to upgrade, but for now, I think it does the job. So I can play games if I want to with the 2070 Ti. Pretty much all the games are running smooth, so nothing is going on. I can stream with it. Everything is. I can render videos quite well, so everything is cool. You should buy AI. Why should I buy AI? Maybe I should. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe for algo trading or something. I don't know. To work for me. Yeah, I mean, I guess. But in what ways? With videos, uh, All right, let's wait. Let's wait. Methodical man said, I have an ugly face. What do you know? What do you know? He says, I have an ugly face. All right. All right. I'll get back to him. I have an ugly face, he said. All right. 3 weeks ago, my daughter told me NQ was heading to 20K. She's the best. Oh, yeah. 20K is definitely possible. It's definitely possible. I think for now we can focus on 500, but I would not go into a long at any cost right now. So there's just, it was such a huge move right now. I mean, no. It's too dangerous. At least wait for market open. Not much to do. Anyway, we're gonna wait a little bit. Let's wait. Now we're saying it's going today. 3 weeks ago it was 19. Yeah, I mean, this market is just unstoppable. It's unstoppable. Really, really, really hard to predict the moves. I mean, after this kind of move, wow, I have to delete the 300 as well. It's almost untradeable, guys. It's almost untradeable. Not completely, but yeah. All right. Election year. Oh yeah. So by the way, I don't want to go into politics because I mean, I don't want to go into politics because I don't really know much about what is happening in the States. But what's gonna happen? Is Trump really as a good candidate? Is he going to win? Because when I open up social media, I see Trump everywhere. So is he gonna go there? Is he? I mean, I definitely is gonna be nominated, but is he really has the chance to win? I'm seeing everybody. What I see as an outsider is that a lot of people are bashing on Biden and on social media. Everyone, I mean, the majority is liking Trump, or maybe I'm following more people who are Republicans. I guess I don't know, but anyway, yes, all right. I know, Gabor. I know. I yeah. Józsi, igen, lehet. Yes, okay. Is he going to... I don't know. Is he going to jail? Because I was reading that there's a chance for him to go to jail, but I guess he can pardon himself if he wins, right? I don't know. I'm just humbly asking. I don't know. No one know what will happen. Check, no, all blah blah. Okay. All right, I don't know. I was just... So yeah, I see a lot of people backing up Trump. So if I would have to guess, I'd say he's going to win. From this viewpoint of mine, which I see from social media and on the news. Depends on what news. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So maybe I'm following too much people who are Republicans. I'm not following that many individuals. I try to not follow like not independent media, but of course there are influencers on X, on Facebook. TikTok is all about politics nowadays, so who knows? So corrupt, they are trying to put him in for anything, but it's making him more popular. I just wanted to say, J-Ho, like, it was, I mean, funny, because I think the more pressure they put on Trump, they want to put him to jail, they want to do this and that, or they try to mock him, you know. That's what I view as an average viewer. I mean, I think this is actually making him much more popular. So the negative campaign, what they want to throw on him, or they want to put him in jail, is actually making him more and more popular. That's what I see. Actually, as an outsider, that's what I see. It's not a political standpoint. I'm just telling you what I see from social media and what I feel from the news. The more they trying to put him as somebody they don't want, or they want to put him, he's just gaining more and more popularity. So on my end, Apex is running okay. I'm connected, no latency issue, all my accounts are all right, so no problem on my end with Apex at this moment. Putin is happy to see this. Yeah, I can't believe this can happen in America. I mean, it's definitely interesting. Like, put a former president into jail. That sounds a little bit weird, especially from America. I mean, from a far eastern third world country with dictatorship, which is getting through some hardship times, you might imagine that the former dictator or president goes to a jail or something, but the former president of the United States of America go to jail? That's like, you know. Oh, Volatility Trading just subscribed. Oh my god. We have a celebrity. We have a celebrity here. Oh, Volatility Trading, thank you for the subscription. Thank you, thank you. All right. I'm gonna have to follow him back. Or subscribe. Let me check on YouTube. I just closed up a bunch of tabs, so I don't have YouTube open right now. I closed up Methodical Man as well, so sorry. Sorry, Methodical Man. Volatility Trading, I have to subscribe. Awesome. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see. What is happening? What is happening? Communists are the same no matter where they are. Kadar did it, yeah. Held on to power for 40 years. Putin is the same. He poisons his opponents. Yeah. American legal system has gotten closer more and more to those ones in Banana Republic, in my perspective. Trump is gonna win, and I hope this time he puts these criminals in jail, because these human debris are criminals. Oh my god. Yeah, I see that there is a huge turmoil happening in politics over there. I mean, I feel it. And I don't really want to... I mean, I know I said some stuff to you, Gabor, on Twitter, but just saying that Putin is best friends with our prime minister, but, you know, I mean, and our prime minister is also best friend with Trump, but anyway, but Putin really loves our prime minister. They are like... Actually, our prime minister is using his tongue a lot of times. with Putin. but I guess it's all right, right? I don't know. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Good morning. On my end, Apex is all right. Look, it's working fine. It's working fine. I have stable connection. Everything looks okay. Nancy Pelosi needs to be the first in jail. I heard so many people angry at Nancy Pelosi. I don't even know what she does exactly. But I don't know the details. You passed 2 out of 4. Congratulations, Crypto Panda. Congratulations. Congratulations. She is apparently the best trader in the world. Really? All right. That much money she makes, right? All right. She's a huge insider trader. All right. Oh my god. Let's not dive into politics too much because ha 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 ha. She's always lucky, I guess, buying these companies before some massive good news. Okay. I think NQ is going to go higher a little bit, right? Politics is the moving force behind everything, Tom, so thanks for diving into it. Well, sometimes we gotta speak out our mind, right? We have more to the upside. Yes, Spy Girl. I think I do like this 500 level, but I'd like to see price going down to 360 or 350. That would be something I'd like to see before taking anything. If I could, even if considering a long position. But yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely curious about the reaction of the market. Waiting for the reaction of the market. Let's go. So until we wait, we can't really do anything else. Just, talk a little bit. My target is 524. Oh, that's a nice target. I like the whole numbers, so I'm going to choose 500. Low-hanging fruit would be 490 because of profit taking. So 490, 485. That would be the low-hanging fruit for me, but of course, I'm not in a trade yet. Everybody's waiting for the open. Yeah. How are the kittens? They're doing fine. I can show you the newest picture if you're interested. I took a picture of them this morning in the garage. You know, they are a little bit wild. I cannot pet them because, you know, they're hard to catch. So we have 4 kittens, but I usually only by the time I get them on the picture, 2 of them usually goes away. So, but I got the picture of them with their mother. They're down in the garage. So 2 kitties and their mother, but there's 2 more. So I don't know. I can't catch them because they're so fast. They're so fast. But I always give them food, and these kitties are like getting to be 6 or 7 weeks old now. So I have to catch them somehow. I need to find someone to adopt them. So so here they are. Fresh pictures from the garage this morning. So I have to find someone to adopt them. But first I need to catch them first. If I go close to them, there was another kitty. It was right there somewhere, but it got away in this hole by the time I took the picture. But I can't. Nearby Korean restaurant, no. I don't know. I only saw a black cat. I only saw a black cat running around the house, but I don't know where's the dad. I don't even know how the mother got here. But we have 2 like red ones, and one is like the mother, and the third one is almost like, I don't know. It's a little bit. It has some black stripes or some. I don't know. A little bit black and gray. But they're always hiding. So, yeah. So, I have to catch them somehow, and I don't know how to do that. I try to pet them when I bring them food. I try to sit there. But for now, I could only get the mother to come to me. I can pet the mother. But the kittens are very scared. They're not coming out from that piece of junk, which is down there. So they're hiding. If I leave, they're slowly getting out to the food and they start to eat. But if I'm there, they're not coming out. I have to figure out a way. Anyway, nothing is moving, so can you go to NQ chart and see? You see a big gap. I see, yes. On the mini, there is a gap. We checked it earlier, right here. There is a gap from 97 to 76, which is unbalanced on the mini. Exactly. So this could be a possible target. Maybe sometime during the FOMC news. Maybe it's gonna get untouched or left untouched until that time. But there is a gap. There is a gap. This is a 5-minute mini Nasdaq chart. So this candle closed. This one opened up The news candle opened up 20, almost, yeah, 20 points above, spiked down in a matter of milliseconds, and then went up. So definitely there's something to be done with this. So keep an eye on that gap. Now on the micro, you don't see that. The thing I can do is I can draw this to 69, I think. Where was it? Hold on. 79 until 97. So 79 until 97, there's a gap. Until 97. So there's the gap. All right. Okay. So this is the one. This is the one that we can return to. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. This is the waiting game. And that's why trading is sometimes boring. So, guys, what are your plans? What are you looking for? I'm wondering. Oh, so Apex is now at 71% discount. I just figured it out. All right. Let's go, 71%. All right, let me update it. Oops. Let me update this properly. So Apex 71. There. Oh, $35 resets. That's good, I guess. Haven't checked it on Discord of what they're doing right now, but let me update this. So 71 off with Apex right now. Good to know. All right. Good to know. Oh, all right. Okay, 35 bucks for resets. That's good. All right. Good to know. Thank you, Crypto Panda. Thank you, thank you. $35 resets. That is good. That is actually good. Good. Oh, they sent an announcement. All right. At least we have something to go with. Until we wait for the market open. That is good to know. Through NT8. Oh, thank you. Yeah. That is actually good news. That is good news. We're edging down a little bit there. All right. Oh, I have to update this again. It's too big. Now it's better. Like this. Nice. Yeah, they said that they're going to do it later. That's the only thing I know. There was an announcement that it takes a little bit more time, but it should be happening. So okay, I just got the email. All right. I just got the email of the $35 resets. Which is still a good price. Anyway, less than 10 minutes until they open. So let's go. Waiting for 90% off, buy one, only 80. Yeah. I don't know if when Apex gonna bring it back, but at least BULENOX has it still. So that's a positive. That's a positive thing. I wish I could tell you some analysis here, but this is like typically the price. I mean, typically the price section where there's nothing to do. Mohammed, hey, you already in a trade? Okay. Could Apex dispute it because the markets are open? No, if you're in a trade, it's all right as long as you're not placing bracket orders. I mean, for both sides, limit orders at the market open. You're in a trade, you're in a position, that's absolutely fine. No problem with that. You have a strategy, you have a target, you have a plan to trade it out. It's absolutely okay. The market open thing is only matters when you place limit orders in both sides, you know, just 1 or 2 minutes before the market open. And I mean, that's a little hard to backtrack, but that's why they said it. That's why they said it. So you're okay. You're absolutely fine. So basically, I think the one day pass is still on, which is a good thing with Apex. All right. Market is about to open. Market is about to open. Less than 1 minute to go. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna switch to Quant Hour here to check this one out. This is the 1 minute chart. Let's see if the 500 is gonna get tagged here. All right, market is open. All right. A little bit of an indecision, I see. No real spike yet. Going down. So we were talking about the 297 level. I can imagine that we go down there. We have many reasons to go down, but of course, don't do anything crazy. All right. Still holding this level. Still holding this level. Nothing is really moving. Entering a trade right here would be a gamble, guys. Would be a gamble. No clear direction. All right, going back from the 80s to the 400s. Could be going up to make a new high above. I mean, take out the swing at 27, but nothing so far. Checking the 30-second as well. Feels like we're gonna go back to 27, but hard to tell. Hard to tell. It's close. Yeah, almost. Almost. Is it, did it took it out, yeah? Yeah, it did. Spiked higher. Yeah, now it's taking it out. Okay, now it took it out. I scalped a little bit here, but only 50 bucks on a funded. Not sure how far it wants to go, but Seems like it wants to go for the 50s. Or the 46. $46. No, it's not going anywhere. It's staying. Slowed down a little bit, but the 46 still looks very good as the next target, and then the 50s. I don't know. Feels like it's losing a little bit of a momentum here. Yeah, it does. $32, $30, back to the 20s. All right, down to 25. Repricing this 1 minute gap. 5 minute created a wick down there. Does it want to go down and take it out on the 1 minute this swing at 74? I don't think so. It still feels like it wants to push higher. Might want to go for the 500. No, nothing. It's getting a little weaker. 15 minute is forming kind of a doji indecision. 5 minute is letting it go, retracing lower. If I put a fib tool on the 1 minute here, 50% level is down at 406. Could go down there. But it's not doing it. It's just not doing it yet. $58. Formed a little bit of a support here on the 1 minute. Here is a small tiny gap as a support. Let's see if this one's gonna hold. It didn't close below, which is good for the longs. It's good for the longs. All right, going up. That 46 is gonna get taken in a few seconds, I guess. Or maybe not. Let's see. Do they want to push it? You're long at 21. Nice. 21 is a very good position to be long. 490. Oh wow, yeah. That could be happening. Look at that. Should be breaking through the 46. Now he's breaking it. There you go. 46 tagged. And now going higher to the 500s. It seems like next level is 58. 10 points away. Careful. 58 is the next level. Should be going there. Or at least the 56 or something. I don't know. Might be pushing it, but we don't know. Retracing lower. Just a bit. Back to the high. I don't know. Didn't go up there. But I think it's gonna break through. It should be breaking through. Look at that. Once more. It's going 58. Come on, I'm not in a position, man. I do feel some FOMO, but I couldn't enter on this one. I mean, this is not my kind of trade. But it's gonna take it out. Almost there. Into the 60s. Almost. There you go. Come on, J-Ho. Come on. Let's go. All right. I'll go to the bathroom and drink something. I'll be right back. I'm not taking trades yet, so I'll be right back. Push the like, subscribe. I'll be right here. Whoa, look at that. We're going for the 500. TP1 hit. All right. We talked about this 500 and now we're going there. Good day, Marcus Trader. Crypto Panda, what's going on? YGT, hey there. All right. There definitely was some profit taking here. Look at all this. What a move, what a move. This is typically the trade where you know, just can't do anything with it. I mean, maybe you can enter. But not really. This is just, you know, so high. This is so high, like super high. It can just let it go at this point. Oh yeah, 490 hit, nice. It's gonna hit the 500, I think. Let's effing go. Here, paparazzo today. I know you don't trade the news, but hey, this move was wow. I think we're gonna hang around in the 500 level for quite a while. It should be taking out 500. There you go. I think we took it, right? The high was what was the high? Did we take it on the mini? Yeah, now we took it. All right. So 500 is taken officially, everyone. What a trade. What a move. I mean, I wish that could be in a trade, but no trade. 520 could be possible, yes. This is like at the point where I have no freaking idea. No freaking idea. So bullish. ES also went up there. Whole number is up at 500. Could be continuing. What a bullish rally here. Who would have thought that this is gonna happen? So after the news, here was the news at 270, went up to the 500s. Next stop is 20k, guys. 20k is the next level. 20k. Really, it is like unbelievable. I think a few people also went short, maybe hoping for some kind of a pullback. But I would be very careful to short here. We can definitely spike through to the 550s here. Let's see what happens. Waiting market structure shift, right? Yeah, I'm waiting too. Are we gonna get anything from this or not? All right. You know, no matter good or bad news, price goes only higher. Yeah. I mean, actually today was good news, right? Help me out, but I think it was good news today. I think. I mean, CPI was lower than expected. That is good for the market, no? Should be good, should be bullish. And also, I have a feeling that they're pricing this so high. I would be expecting a huge drop. Oil inventory in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes? Oh. Let's see. Crude oil inventories, yes, 35 minutes. I don't think that's going to move the market that much. Even crude should not be moving that much. This is like typically the session where you just, you just don't know what to do. We're only going up. Only going higher. Just higher. Only going higher. USD getting weaker. Check the dollar index. Oh yeah. What a gap here on the dollar index. What's up with gold? Gold spiked higher. Okay. Back down. ES also looking for new highs. Here's the 50 level on ES. 450. It might go there. I mean, this is just untradeable. See the 1 hour chart. All right, let's see the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart. Okay, here it is. 1 hour. Jesus Christ. Where does it going? I mean, to the 20K, I guess. But look at this. I think, I mean, this one closes. We're going to have a gap at the 300s. 374. Can we go back down there? Highly doubt it. YM is down. I mean, YM is... I mean, it pulled back on the 5 minute and the 15. I'm not trading the YM, but... But wow. And this move, 32 to 80. Wow. This felt like this one here. As kind of a manipulation here. Put a box at 555, 580. I think that will be the top if we can reach that. Okay. $555 to 580. Okay. Extend right. Okay. So this could be an area that Jeho said. That is where fourth standard deviation is. Okay. Dude, the four standard deviation is a little bit too much, right? No? Is it not too much? I don't know. I rarely see prices go there, or maybe I'm just not looking. But this here, this movement that I marked on the 1 minute, this seems like it's not normal. This is like manipulation here. This is definitely like manipulation. Let's see now if we go to 524. I don't trust anything about 500 today. I don't trust any level today above 500. Nothing. It's very good. It's actually, it's good. All right. Now you see the price do turtle soups a lot. Okay. SMT. All right. All right. Good to know. It's still a target. Yeah, it's still the target. Yes, Pygirl. Absolutely, I understand. For now, it's just difficult. Sorry guys, just a phone call with a very good friend of mine. Ah, what is going on? All right. I'm sorry, but I have to do some business too. Sometimes have a sponsor from mobile phone brand. I'm sorry, market trader. I think I should be having a sponsor from a mobile phone brand. That's for sure. Actually, I do have to change my mobile phone because it's I mean, a little bit old one. My phone is like 5 years old or something. I might have to buy a new one. Oh man, I was expecting a little bit more from this session here. Don't worry, we're still gonna grind and we're gonna stay, but I was expecting a little bit more. What line of biz? Yeah, sure. Absolutely. I mean, you asked it, right? Of course you can ask. Yeah, of course. I'm going to tell you, don't worry. I'm trying. I have a friend who is building apartments. Yeah, I'm waiting for some kind of a structure shift, Tiffany. Yeah. This is a ranging market, but I'm waiting for some kind of a shift, definitely. But it's, I think, most likely on the 5 minute if I see one. But this is the waiting game. So yes, I have a little bit. I mean, not a side business, but it's a business of my friends. He's building a good friend of mine who is building apartments in Croatia at the seaside. So he's working in real estate and he's actually building. So he has the company that is building the actual house. And he always has some new building for sale, you know, for rent. And I have some good contacts in Hungary with doctors, you know, and some people who has more money. And I just made 2 calls. The previous call was with a doctor friend of mine who is looking to I'm not selling. I wouldn't say I'm selling, but I'm kind of like selling because I'm you know, making the contact between these people. So Croatia, yeah. So this friend of mine who is a doctor was saying that he's looking for an apartment to buy where he can spend the summertime next to the sea. So I told him that I might know someone where to buy from. So this friend of mine told me that he's willing to give me like a few percent, like 2, 3, 5, 4%, depending on which apartment, which price they can agree upon. So I get a little bit of a commission if I can get someone to buy an apartment from his company. So basically, I'm the contact here. I'm trying to bring the buyer to the seller here, and I just tried to call my friend who is building, because a few minutes ago I talked to the doctor who is the client, a very good friend, and now I just called up my friend asking for prices, and he didn't pick up the phone. So basically I'm a salesman. I'm a salesman in this business, trying to sell an apartment with brand new beautiful places. So yeah, Portugal, yeah, definitely. Let me know if you have some apartments for sale in Portugal. I mean, these people can fly there, definitely. Really, market trader, I'm just reading that you know some real estate investors. Let me know, because this friend of mine is a really good man. He's doing business in real estate in Croatia since like 2006 or 2007. So we all are sellers. So if you know some people, you know, I can put you guys in contact, and you can definitely get good commission if you can help sell some apartments. He has pictures, you know, everything, beautiful places, map, everything, brochure, you know, whatever you need. Everything is there. I used to go to the summertime there, so it's a beautiful place. Oh, there you go. Spy Girl is looking at Portugal too. Good. Spy Girl, we have apartments in Croatia. No, yeah, definitely. Portugal is super awesome. So I'm trying to do some side business. I mean, if someone buys an apartment, for example, for 150,000 euros or 200,000 euros, I just set a price. I mean, if I can get 1 or 2% commission from that, I mean, why not? Or even 3%. That's like money on the table I might willing to take, because, you know, I'm an entrepreneur. Why shouldn't I? I know Croatia 25 years ago, not in the best moments. Yeah, that was not in the best moments in that country, but now it's everything changed. Thank you, but Portugal, the now is what definitely, absolutely Spy Girl. The one thing I can do for you, Spy Girl, is I can arrange a very cheap or almost free or maybe free summertime, maybe in the late season in Croatia at my friend's place. He has multiple apartments. And I have, you know, I have a discount with him. I was a photojournalist. Wow. At that, wow. That is awesome, Marcus Trader. How many bedrooms? 2 bedrooms. It's 96 square meters, including the balcony. 96 square meters, 2 bedrooms, big living room, including kitchen, washing machine, you know, everything there. Modern kitchen. So everything built in the past 1 or 2 years. Pretty modern. So everything's cool. I think I have pictures somewhere. Where is the big apartment? I want to see a bigger apartment. I know I had it somewhere. This is the 1-bedroom apartment anyway. Yeah, that is amazing. Oh, look at that. We're going above 500. Look at this. We just tagged the 520. Wow, what a move. What a move. Ba-dum-bum. My family have a real estate business. Wow. Nice. My box is coming. Yeah, J.O.'s box is coming. It's your box. Oh yeah. 520. Yeah, you told me. What can we do? We just I mean, unfortunately, I have no targets. I mean, I know we could have that standard deviation up there, but yeah, I don't like to go long into this abyss. I mean, it's not an abyss, but if I inverse it, it's an abyss. No, I can't. I just can't take the long here. I usually start at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 1 hour before the London Open. I try to stay until 5, sometimes 6, but try to stay until the end of the kill zone, usually. So this morning I had one trade with a partial profit, but I wasn't really expecting this much move after a CPI. It was really quite a displacement. Yeah, I have an Instagram account. Yes. I don't even know what's the name. I think it's the same Tom Sabo Biz. What's my Instagram account? Yeah, it's Tom Sabo Biz. Can I put it here? Yeah, so that's my Instagram. Ah, yours is okay. Eduardo Rosas. Let me check. Okay. There is one Eduardo Roses with 20,000 Roses. 20,000 followers. That's a lot. Is this yours? Is this your Instagram? This should be yours, right? Good looking gentleman. All right. 20,000 subscribers. Nice. Award winning photographer documenting life. Wow. This is wow. Beautiful photographs. Look at this. You have an eye for things. Wow. Look at this. Awesome photos. Oh, sorry. My friend is calling back about real estate. Hold on. All right, now I have some numbers. Actually, some projects that are in the making. So we're going higher, about 520s. Oh, I see her message. All right. All right, all right. Damn, I have some. I haven't checked on my Instagram for a while. But I will. I will update myself on it. We have, as I told you, I knew the square meters. 96 square meters, 94 square meters, including the balcony. Hold on. There has to be here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, come on. Oh yeah, they have a new website. All right. New website. These are for sale. Okay, so there are some sales projects here. Oh wow. All right. I'm gonna send you a they don't have it in English. Why don't they have it in English? They have a translation in German, Russian, and Croatian language, but they don't have it in English. Why they don't have it, I don't know. I'm gonna send it to you on Instagram. And we're going for the box up there. We are going for the box. Yeah. So I sent you the website. I specifically sent you the page, Market Trader, the page, these apartments that you see on this link of the site. These are the ones for sale. So I just sent it to you on Instagram. These are for sale. Look at this, we're going for J-Hose levels 555. Going for that. Let's go, let's go. Oil is dropping. Oh, let me check. Ooh, what a drop. On the 1 minute here, that's quite a drop. So this was the news, right? I guess it was the inventories. Oh, that's quite a difference here. Number of barrels of crude oil held in inventory by commercial firms. So this means more oil are on hold. So if this number is going higher, that makes prices way cheaper, if I understand correctly. So yeah, gold as well. Okay. Oh, look at that. We could be returning to this news candle at 8:30. Look at this. On the 5 minute, looks like it wants to go back. Yeah, it looks like it. Wow. Could be consolidating as well, but yes, we're dropping. We are dropping. And NQ is just making history right now. NQ is, I mean, it didn't drop that much. I think it wants to go for that. What was the level? 55, 54, the J-Ho said? To 55, right? At least to the 50s. Could be. By the way, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and push the like button. Thank you so much. Dow is going up. Next stop, 612. Think so? 612. Tom, how did you start trading? How did you learn trading? Well, it's a long story. So the short version is that in 2007, 2007, not 17, 7. In 2007, when I was a complete idiot, like I'm an idiot now, but back then in 2007, I was the biggest idiot. That was the first encounter with trading in my life. And I was like 24 years old or something. So I saw a website which is still on. It's called FabTurbo. FabTurbo, an expert advisor robot, automated trading made for MetaTrader 4. So FabTurbo is still up there. You can still buy it and download it. It was a scalping EA. So I was truly amazed. Tesla is skyrocketing. Maybe, yeah, maybe it could be responsible for NQ. So I was amazed that a single MetaTrader robot can make me a millionaire in a week. So I fell for it. I bought the EA. I put it on live money. First, a few $100s, I lost it. I thought it might be the settings. then another few hundred, another thousand. So I lost all my money back in 2007 with MetaTrader expert advisors on Forex pairs. Anyway, I left trading then, but I was always genuinely interested in the stock market and, you know, trading in genuine. I love the movie Wall Street, you know. So 10 years passed. And in 2017, 10 years later, I jumped back into trading again with my own money. Not prop firms, my own money trading Forex. And I lost all my money from early 2018 to until the pandemic. I lost all my money and savings on trading. So after the pandemic, I started again in 2021-22. I said, all right, I'm going to take this seriously. So I started some online courses, started to learn a lot. And so if I want to say seriously, I started in 2022. And yeah, that's it. 2022. And got funded with FTMO. Then I was trading with Forex prop firms. I was trading with FTMO, my Forex funds. And yeah, that's how it started. Quite a journey. Higher time frame trading for live account. Yeah, live account. If you use higher time frames, that's definitely better. Yeah, what a journey. It was the short version. The long version is much more complicated than this one, Spy Girl. Trust me on this. This was the short version. The long version is way more sad and complicated. And I mean real sad. A real sad story. The long version. No higher time. High. Oh, sorry. High frequency, sorry. I couldn't read. I'm sorry, Maverick. High frequency trading, alright. My live accounts, I trade only gold 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Oh, in swing trading, yeah. I think that's a safe method to go with. The sad version includes the fact that at one point I had definitely no money. I mean, no, absolutely nothing. Zero, nada, absolutely. Not even for food. That's the sad version. But there's more details to it. Okay. I used to do the same, and I only trade soy. Only trade soy? Wow. That sounds interesting. Is this the turning point? Could we turn here at these highs? I don't know. Let's see what is going on. No entry on my end. All right. Are we gonna go down lower a little bit here? Who knows? Feels like it can go, but so said, how did you survive? Have to see. Well, 550. Let's go. It was really sad. Yeah. How I survived? I have no idea, honestly. I was sitting in this chair, in this same chair, in this same room, at the same computer, and I have a jar of coins right here. A jar of coins right here. And I took out coins from this jar to buy a meal for lunch. So it was very sad. It was the same jar, this one. I took out money from it for food. That's how bad it was. How I survived, I don't know. I think it was God. Of course, I gained some strength. So you killed my appetite for risk. All right. Well, you know, take it as a positive note, Ethics and Trophy. Take it as a positive note. At least you learn from it. I think, yeah. So, yeah. In fact, you make me hungry. All right. Yeah. All right, I did that. Sorry. Sorry, FX and Rafi. It was not on purpose, you know. We are going back up there, it seems like. Such personal thing. Yeah, it was God. And now he bless you for all the struggles. I believe every person has a unique story. Everyone, you have a unique story, Spy Girl. Everybody has a unique story. And our story, your story, is far from the end. And far, you know, ups and downs will always come. And I try to learn from it the best as I can. So we have to learn. We have to learn the best way we can from it. No other way around it. It's a constant learning curve. Looks like we're still trying to go higher. Your story is even better. Come on. At the time, was not a trader. You start to be a gamble addicted. Yeah, I'm glad it all passed. Yeah. Yeah, that was a gambling addiction back at the time, I think. Your story. I mean, if anytime you want to talk about it, let me know. Even off stream. On buy from 500. You're on a buy from 500. Shut the front door, Maverick. You're from California, but live in Thailand. Yeah. Born in Europe. Spy Girl she's traveling. She's traveling. Yeah. I wonder if this one could be a structure shift on the 5-minute after this candle. TP hit, nice. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Look at that. We're trying to go down, maybe? I'm not sure. Seems like it might want to take out that 496. Or is it going to continue higher? Not clear. Impossible to tell. No setup yet. It's a little bit tricky. $26 countries, 54. Oh, wow. That's a lot. That's a lot. Not going to higher. It went for the day. Now it's sideways, but I'm gonna go sideways a little bit. I think so as well. Gonna go sideways. Or not. Now it seems like wants to break lower. Yep. Very inspiring story. Well, I'm not proud of the story, unfortunately. I'm not proud of it. And yeah. I'm still suffering from some of the ripples that it caused in my life. So in short, I'm still suffering from some of the ripples that those times caused. So that's it. Yeah, let's see if we form a W formation. Bounce to your box, could be. All right, look at that. Could be going down to the 80. I wonder if it does. We can also go back inside the range from here. And this is going to hold. The 480 is going to hold. Exactly. Exactly, Spygirl. Yeah, let's see if we hold this level. The things we went through is going to make us who we are. Interesting to see that there's nothing happening on the 5 and not even on the 15-minute chart. So this is pretty wild. The only thing that we see going on is the 1 minute, but I don't know. Looks a little bit weird. I don't know if it wants to take out that low. You can just go back to the top of the range. Yeah, it seems like it's building up some support, maybe. Not sure. Yeah, nothing. Next target could be the 80, but looking bearish. Alright, so don't forget, BULENOX still has the 90% sale. Still a good choice. For the news, especially. And $35 resets on Apex. Going long here, tight stop. Alright. Good luck with it. Good luck. It seemed like to me that it could be going higher, but almost unreadable. Anyway, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Thank you so much. Push those likes if you can. Thank you. Tom, can you please show the 15 minutes? Sure. Here's the 15-minute. That's the 500 level, this line. And so this is J-Ho's box at 55. 5-minute overbought, 15-minute also. As longer we hold, we go higher. Yes, if this area is holding, it could go higher. We didn't go to the 50 level, which is a whole number, the 550. That could be a possible target, but this is a guessing game right now. Let's see. There's not much to do on this level. Got the low. All right. Checking the 1 minute. if there is any displacement. There is a small structure shift here, which is kind of good, I guess. If we're looking for more highs. Free trade, that's it. Come on, J-Ho. There you go. You entered on 490. You're always having the best entries, man. Just opened the position. All right. Why you guys are having the best entries and I don't? Why is that? I'm always late. Let's see. I only had one scalp here. It's not time to go down. You used the 15-second, right? Yeah. I'm not in anything. I'm flat. I'm flat. Tom, on your past and sad times, were you looking to suicide in any moment? Wow, that's a deep question. That's a deep question. You're up 2K. That is very okay, Maverick. I'm gonna tell you honestly, but don't tell anyone. There was a second. Or a few seconds. Yes. There was a few seconds. There was a few seconds, you know, when I lost. I had two beautiful cars. I was having money. I saved up money. I lost a lot from gambling Forex on my personal money, not prop firms, on my personal account, burning up everything. I sold my cars. I burned up my savings. I burned off the bridges behind me because I totally got addicted. And my family and friends, they saw there's a problem. And there come the time when I got to the point where I needed financial help from my family. Apparently from my mother and my father, who only have pension as an income. They're pensioners, like that's all they have. And they had to chip in help me out. And at that night, when I got some money from them, not too much money, it's like nothing. I mean, just a little bit of money to help me out. That night, at midnight or 1 a.m., while I was sitting in the room in the dark, I was thinking like, fuck this, I can't do this anymore. So that was the moment. But I started to pray because I believe. So yeah. That moment I started to pray and I said, fuck this again. I'm not gonna stay like this. So the next day I started everything all over. Can you help me with BULENOX symbols? What are symbols available? BULENOX, sure, absolutely. At BULENOX, let me help you out with this. So at BULENOX, this is Apex. I'm connected to TOPSTEP too. So you have to choose the CME from the list. Can you see it? I think you can. You should be seeing, yeah. So not Apex. So you have to choose CME. The symbols is MNQ is the micro Nasdaq. NQ is the mini Nasdaq. So micro Nasdaq, you can choose manually like MNQ M4, which is the new contract currently, the current contract, or you can go with the front month of MNQ, which Quantower puts you into automatically. NQ the same. RTY is the Russell index. ES is the S&P 500. MES is the micro S&P 500. Right. 6B is pound. Which one is euro? Euro is 6A or C? I don't even know. 6S. Anyway, you can choose gold, GC or MGC, micro gold or gold futures. So, yeah. You're tough surviving to that part of your life. I guess that made you stronger for future. Oh yeah, it did. Just have to keep in mind that you don't lose until you let it down. If you keep it up, yeah. That was a tough spot. God heard your prayers and look at you now. You're welcome. I'm still having struggles. I'm telling you, I'm still having struggles. Maybe that is why sometimes I take things a little bit too emotional on stream. But anyway, as I said, those times, which was not too long ago, still have a ripple effect on my current life, financially as well, and also, you know, family friend relations. I lost friends who I borrowed money from. I gave it back, but anyway, it feels bad. But yeah, that's why I said the short version, God was there, and it still is. So God is there, and that's why I know. If I have any kind of problem, I will surely know that God is always there. And problems are actually, I learned that when I have a problem, any kind of issue, financial, emotional, whatever, it is an opportunity. It is a possibility. It's not impossible. It's something I have to overcome because that is some kind of a thing I have to solve. And with this viewpoint, the problem started to change. When I saw the financial struggle as an opportunity, so I said, I wrote it down. I still have the paper, by the way. I wrote it down. Okay, I need to make this and this kind of money. This is my plan. And so, okay. So actually, this kind of money is not impossible. I have to go by this and this opportunity, and it will be fine. So anyway. So they are not friends. They were just in your life for a short time. Real friends stick you. Yeah, exactly. What didn't kill make you stronger. Exactly, Michael. Actually, that's true, Spy Girl. My friends who are still my all-time friends. So, and there was some point, as I told you, I did not have money for food. I was behind with my bills, with my electricity bill, with the rent, with my phone bill. I was behind. But I still have friends, and guess what? I still have I don't have too many best friends for life, but one of my best friends for life at that time, you know, we met. He saw that I'm totally look like a zombie, and we sit down, and he immediately put some money out the table to help me fix some issues, you know, with the bills and stuff. And I was very depressed, and I wanted to give him back that money. It's not too much money, I can tell you. Like it's just in dollars, it's like $200 or $300. It's not that much money, $200 or $300. You know, he gave it to fix some bill issues. You know, and I said, "Hey, listen, here's the money because you know, I want to give it back." And you know what he said? Screw that. I don't want your money. That's what he said. I don't want your money. I gave that money to get you out of trouble and to fix your problem. I didn't give you that money, so you will have stress to give it back to me. And until this day, I wanted to give that money back to him. I said, listen, this money is yours. You helped me out. And he said, no, keep it. If he gets into trouble, he will surely call me if he's in trouble. And that's what he said. That's a friend. So I wanted to give him back. I said, here's your money. It was in my hand. Please take it. And he said, no, fuck you. He said, fuck you. Sorry. Excuse my French. I don't want that. Keep it. All right. I said, all right. If you lost friends, it's because they're not your friends. Yeah. You don't need people who turn around. You're better without them. Exactly. So when you at one of your older stream, you said you don't know. Yeah, I said that. I said that in my older streams. I don't know. I said that God. I don't know if God exists. I was praying to God, and I don't know if it's God, the universe, or karma, or Buddha, or energy, or the law of attraction, or ghosts, or whatever you want to name it. The sun, the multiverse, whatever. I don't know, but the creator, whatever we want to call it. I'm still not sure who or what it is. And sometimes, you know, yeah. I'm not sure in that phase it's true. Still, I prayed, but Tom's version of Pursuit of Happiness. Yeah. I can vouch for that too. Again, I said that. That's true. I said that I'm not sure God exists or not. I said that in earlier streams. In an older stream. But I wasn't really meant it by word, but I think I meant it, and I still say like it's. I'm not sure, so I don't know the Bible from A to Z, but there has to be something, someone, or something. You know, it has to be. It just doesn't work without that. Because all this that surrounds us is. It's not made by mistake, or it's not made by chance or whatever. There has to be a dynamic or some kind of power. I think if I send out prayers, I can also, I'm sending out my prayers to a higher entity, if I can say that, right? I can call, I can say God, or, you know, unfortunately, when we say, oh my God, or something like that, it used to be like just a word or just a sentence. But anyway, no one will listen. What you had was an invitation to you to know him better. What you had was an invitation. Hold on, FX and Trophy. That's strong. I like that. You had was an invitation to you to know him better. Igen, ez a piac már beáraszta. Szerintem igen, József. Szerintem beáraszta. Szerintem itt hírekig csak oldalazni fogunk. Este jön a csapkodás. Addig itt semmi nem fog történni. Itt 20 pontos range-be fogunk menni föl alá. Ez lesz. So yeah. I like that. Itt lehet, hogy fölmegyünk még 550 fölé, meg le, de ilyen 20-30 pontos range-be fogunk itt szórakozni. I'm just saying to Joseph that in the next couple of hours, we might be ranging in a 30-40 points range until FOMC comes out. Well, hírek. Szerintem ma már nem fog az a mozgás lenni. FOMC után igen, az magyar idő szerint azt hiszem 8 óra, 8 óra 8:30, tehát még illetve nálad 1 órával odébb van, azt hiszem, tehát akkor az még egy 3 óra hossza. To my box we go, let's go, yeah, J-Ho, hopefully we'll go. I still like that sentence. Persze, hogy van, József. What you had was an invitation to you to know him better. I like that. I like that. Sometimes in life, when things are bad for you, disregarding the reason, when you are in pains, only then you are well receptive to search and know God. You had your invitation. It's up to you now to do research to find him. The ball is in your court. Play the game right. I like that. FX and Trophy, that moved me. Honestly, with all my heart, that moved me, what you just said then, now. When you are in pains, only then you are well receptive to research. To search and know God. You had your invitation. Wow, like that. And if you invite him and respond to his invitation, he will reveal himself to you. FX and Trophy, hey, send me email. You know my email, I guess. If not, it's in the About section on the channel. TomSableBiz@gmail. You have it, alright. I like that. I mean, while we're waiting anyways, it's always good to have conversation that helps, you know, especially, I mean, in trading is emotions. Emotions require strength. Strength comes from higher power. Higher power is what or who? Him, I guess. The higher power is him. So, this stream become a little bit of a come on, J-Ho, let's go. Printing. Let's see. We're still just going sideways. And no position on my end that I could take. All right. Hold on, let me check something. Jesus. Apple could rotate down. Yeah, could be. He's not a higher priority, but the highest. Yeah, that's true. I'm not gonna short. Yeah. Tom, it's time to go to beach. Yeah, later I'm gonna see the website you sent me. Sure, absolutely. Take your time. I'm gonna do all I can. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Marcus. If you know someone, let me know. Thanks for joining, Marcus Trader. Hope to see you soon. Cheers, and good to see you, and hope to see you soon. Have a good walk. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Let's see. Let's see what is going on. No trades yet. I don't think. I mean, what I think we're gonna go sideways a little bit, but otherwise it's hard to anticipate. Oh well. Damn, it's hard to find a good entry in this. I guess nothing is gonna move until then. I mean, the news. Give me my box. Everybody wants their box right now. Well, this is a Saint form. Szerintem megfogom. Ja. Hát legalább egy számlával jó lenne. Vagy kettővel, nem tudom. Alright. What is happening here? What is happening? Once we hit my box, we're done till FOMC. It's not far away. It's like your box starts at 55, right? So like 26, 27 points. We can go up there. We can go there. Definitely. It's so slow, guys. It's very slow. Just when. Alright. Not if. Longban? Oh, hát, azt nem tudom. Azt majd Powell megmondja. Mindkét irányba fog menni. Úgyhogy... Jó, mindjárt. Hold on. Discord. What is this? I think my keyboard is just falling apart. Sorry. Alright. It's better now. Discord. Oh, standard deviation. Yeah, I see. Nehéz megmondani. Ez nehéz. Talán. Inkább figyelni kell egy kicsit a beszédet. Én szoktam, nem vagyok jó közgazdaságból, de hogyha elkezd inflációról, meg recesszióról, meg szarságokról beszélni, akkor elkezd esni a Nasdaq. És akkor könnyen benne van 10-20 pont lazán egy pillanat alatt. Ha azt mondja, hogy leküzdöttük, minden szuper, nagyon laza, akkor megy föl. Can you configure your chart as point and figure on M5? Sure. I think I can do that. Point and figure. Oh, I have to subscribe to because I have the essential package right now. I have to, but I can do that in Quantower actually. Oh, hey, look at that! I can do that. Oh, I can only do that on the daily. All right, so I'm gonna go back. I can do that in Quantower. Quantower has point and figure chart. Quantower has point and figure chart. So candle, I think it has, right? Time, point and figure. Okay. 5 minute, point and figure, apply. There you go. What the hell is going on here? All right. This is the 5-minute point and figure chart. I knew a guy online. He was an older, I mean, not that old, but he was like a 70-year-old guy. He was uploading some videos. Forex in Seattle. That was his website's name. It's called Forex in Seattle. And he was using point and figure charts, and he was breaking the bank with point and figure charts. It was very interesting. Yeah, so this is what I have on the 5-minute. Maybe I can box size 3, reversal 3, range 3 days. Maybe I can play with these. Anyway, this guy was killing it with point and figure charts, really. So shows a sell and breakout of 510. Breakout at 510. There, if this is a breakout, I don't know, but if this is a breakout, it shows 524 as a potential breakout. Tick size 4, reversal 3. I'm in box size 4, reversal 3. What the? All right. So this is 4 and 3. All right. Still different. Actually, take time out of execution, showing only buyers and sellers when occur. X is buyer, yeah. So look at this. Buyers, sellers. Interesting. Interesting, and also interesting how it's different than this. Buyers and sellers don't move the market. It's all algorithms. Interesting theory by Michael Huddleston, though. So, interesting. Waiting. Technically, Nasdaq stopped. Will only adopt on volumes they detect. One player with 10,000 contracts will be dealt by algos. King with buys and sells position advantage. One of the main attributes of algos from market makers' side to provide liquidity at all times, not to make profits. Oh. That is the process after that. It happened after 2018 flash crash. Wow. By the way, look at the 1 minute. It's crazy. Like we're ranging in this in New York in this 20 points range. It's very bad. Everybody's waiting for FOMC supposedly. Let's see. Guys, this is just so... This is the process after Tuesday, yeah. PNF says short now. Oh, it says. I haven't checked it. Let me check it. Unfortunately, I don't know how to read that, so I'm gonna switch back to good old regular for now on a 1 minute, but I might look into that sometime later. $5.15. Yeah. Oh man, this is not tradable. So I don't know what to do, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it here. It's just no use to trade this. FX and Trophy, I received your email. I'm gonna check it out for sure. Thank you for that. I think I have to cut it here. You know, your box is coming. I will be crossing fingers for that. But guys, I can't sit here doing nothing. I mean, I love to, but there's nothing gonna happen until the press conference. I'm not gonna take a trade. It's absolutely useless to sit in this and watch paint dry. I mean, even watching paint dry is better. I like to talk with you guys, but you know, anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you tomorrow in the London session. You know, I'll be back. So if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links. That helps out a lot. Push the like, subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. All right. See you guys. Have a good one. Be safe at the FOMC. All right. Trade it safely. All right. See you guys later on. Cheers, everybody. Have a good one.